Number 1.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. The truck being offered has 90,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, an off-white exterior, and a blue interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a built 355.7L engine, fitted with an RV cam, a high-volume oil pump, and an upgraded valve train. The engine has less than 5,000 miles since its rebuild, while the built 700R4 transmission has under 3,000 miles on its own rebuild. This long bed truck is equipped with heavy-duty 8-lug axles and comes with a vintage air AC kit that blows cold. It starts and runs reliably, benefiting from a new battery, and no longer has the bed topper previously installed. Overall, it is a strong running example with both the engine and transmission recently refreshed for dependable performance.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000, well-preserved classic, remaining all original aside from an updated carpet kit. Showing 97,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, both of which retain their vintage appeal.
Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck still runs and drives, though it will not currently pass smog due to missing components such as the PCV system and up tube.
The carburetor requires adjustment, and the engine occasionally stalls, but no major work has been attempted as it has never been taken to a smog shop. Because of this, it has been placed on non-operational status.
Number 3. 2000 Mazda B2500, price $7,900.
Remarkable condition, showcasing a manual transmission, a clean white exterior, and a well-kept gray interior. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, this truck has been meticulously cared for and garage-kept by both the current and previous owner, ensuring its longevity and pristine state. Every component functions exactly as intended, with absolutely no mechanical problems, rust, or cosmetic concerns. The interior remains fresh and comfortable, while the exterior maintains a bright, well-preserved finish, a testament to the careful upkeep it has received throughout its life. As a second-owner vehicle with a clean title, it presents an ideal choice for classic truck collectors, automotive enthusiasts, or anyone in search of a dependable and exceptionally well-maintained pickup that's ready to serve for many more years. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1993 Ford F250, price $8,000, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, has covered 220,000 miles and runs on diesel. Its powerful engine operates smoothly with plenty of strength, while the automatic transmission shifts well overall. Though it delivers a slight kick between gears, it doesn't hinder its ability to be driven daily. For a 32-year-old truck, it remains in impressive condition. The body is straight, the paint still retains its appeal, and it has clearly been well cared for over the years.
There is only normal wear consistent with its age, with no major damage.
Inside, the clean and functional cabin ensures everything works as it should, providing comfort and practicality. The tires have a solid amount of tread left, making it ready for the road. With a clean pink slip ready for transfer, this well-maintained F250 stands as a dependable and appealing choice for anyone seeking a classic yet capable diesel workhorse.
Number 5.
1986 Ford F150, price $7,000, finished in blue with a matching blue interior, powered by the dependable 300 inline-6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is completely stock and original, has never been in an accident, and is equipped with a Flowmaster 40 muffler that gives it a satisfying tone. Adding to its character, the exterior sports genuine patina with a special patina sauce finish on top, complemented by Lumer 30% ceramic tint on the rear and side windows. Currently serving as a daily driver rather than a project, this F150 runs and drives smoothly, with all drivetrain and engine components working as they should. It comes with factory AC, although the blower motor is not functional and could use some TLC. With a clean title in the owner's name, this truck blends originality, reliability, and vintage charm in one package.
Number 6.
1993 Ford F250, price $10,000, showing 176,000 miles, features an automatic transmission paired with a diesel engine. It is finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic, uniform look. Recently, the truck developed a transmission issue that causes it to shift hard from first to second gear. The current owner acknowledges not having the mechanical expertise to continue diagnosing or repairing the problem. Engine-wise, it starts quickly and runs smoothly, showing no apparent issues. The truck's body is overall solid, with the only notable blemish being a dent caused by a falling branch, as seen in the provided photo.
Number 7.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300. It has traveled 135,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is a 4x4 truck in good condition, featuring Leroy's custom paint package. The current owners have had the truck for 33 years, maintaining it with care. Recent maintenance includes the installation of new exhaust manifolds and a Y-pipe, a transmission fluid and filter change, and a new heater core.
The tires remain in good condition.
While the truck is fitted with air conditioning, it is currently not operational and requires servicing. Overall, it runs well and has been kept in solid shape over the years.
Number 8.
1974 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,500, features a 350 crate motor with approximately 70,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking yellow exterior with a matching yellow interior, this classic pickup runs on gasoline and delivers strong performance.
It comes equipped with a new set of tires, a new radiator, a rebuilt transmission, and a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, ensuring reliable operation.
While it runs great, it does need a power steering pump, a new windshield, and a replacement glove box. The air conditioning system also requires a condenser installation and a recharge. Overall, this Silverado only needs a bit of TLC to bring it to its full potential.
Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $3,900, equipped with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a matching blue interior, powered by a gasoline engine. The body is completely rust-free, very complete, and remains straight with no signs of body filler, making it a solid foundation for restoration or customization. While the engine starts and runs, the transmission currently does not engage, and the steering column is in rough shape. The truck is being sold with a bill of sale only, as there is no title, and it has 3 years of unpaid registration fees. The tires will also need replacement before it can be safely driven, but with its clean, solid body and classic styling, it has great potential for the right buyer.
Number 10.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and a sleek black exterior, paired with a dependable 350 powertrain that delivers smooth performance. It retains its factory air conditioning for added comfort and features power brakes, power steering, and power windows, making it both enjoyable and easy to drive. In addition to the truck itself, it includes the interior components along with various miscellaneous parts, providing extra value for restoration or customization. Known for its solid ride quality, this classic pickup runs and drives well, and it is offered with a clean Florida title, making it an appealing choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike.